Hello friends, I hope you are doing good. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I am going to start a series of lectures on Adobe Premiere Pro and how to use it. So today first lecture is about how to import videos in Premiere Pro CC. So let's check it out. So friends, this is the interface of Adobe Premiere Pro CC. We often find difficult how to import video in Premiere Pro. So we waste over 15 to 20 minutes in doing so. So these are very easy steps and I will guide you through them. So basically there are three ways to import videos in Premiere Pro. The first and very basic way to start is go to File, go to New and press Project. Then browse a folder, make a new folder and name it like My Project. Select it, then name the file. You can name it anything, like I am naming it with Nabeel project. Then press OK. So now you can see you are almost there. So double click on import media to start. Find your video, double click on it. Now drag this file by clicking on the mouse, left click, use left click to drag the file here. Again to drag the file here. So this was the very basic way to import the video in Premiere Pro. The other two ways, I'm going to explain you the other two ways. So clear these files first. Then go to File, go to Import and double click on your file. Again you can drag your video here and drag the video here. This was the second way by which you can import your videos in Premiere Pro. Now clear the file. Again. The third way is very simple and mostly I use this way. Minimize this one and drag your file from here to import media. And you are ready to go. Drag the file here and drag your file here. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.